Walking with the ghost.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So if you are already a subscriber, I would say thank you very much, and thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Your views, your like, your comment, your subscription means a lot to me. I'm grateful. Thank you. And if this is your first time of stumbling into my page or my channel, thank you for stumbling at all to this place. But I want to say thank you, and I want to say you're welcome here. You should please subscribe to my channel. Support it, girl, okay? Anyways, please click the subscribe button down below and the notification button so you get notified when a new video is up. So today's video is kind of different because this is actually my first time I'm going to film and talk, right? Normally I just film and then do voiceover on my video. So today's video is going to be different. It's going to be so I'm going to be talking while I'm filming, and I hope I can pull this off because I am actually a little bit nervous. Anyways, so let me talk about my face a little, right? So I have a very oily face, right? Sometimes when I make up, sometimes, see, I'm not even wearing anything right now, but my face is, that is the kind of face I have. So sometimes when I make up and I go out, I would have to apply powder on my face to like dial down the oil. My face, when I'm done making up, or when I'm not even wearing makeup, after 10 minutes my face can, the oil that my face produces can literally fry plantain. Okay, I might have exaggerated a bit, but it's annoying that my face produces too much oil. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Maybe because I don't understand my skin very well, or maybe because I've not found the product that works well for me. But I'm still learning. Anyways, so today's video is going to be about comparing these two foundations. I want to know which is better for my skin. I have a very funny story on how I got this Fenty beauty. Sorry. Anyways, I went to Sephora. So when I got in, I explained to them that I wanted a shade. I wanted my shade. Then they, when you walk into a beauty store, they always have makeup artists around to help customers or to help clients to pick the right shade for their skin. So I spoke with one, and I think she gave me, I think it was $445 or $500. I can't really remember, but she took that shade and applied on my skin, on my face. It was very beautiful. And then I was satisfied. Then I picked it and went home, right? So before I got home, this thing was dyed and my face was very dark. Like, you could literally see that I painted my face with a shade that wasn't mine, right? So I went back, and not the same day though, I went back and explained to them, showed them the receipt, and then another makeup artist worked on my face with this $440, right? Then that was how I got this one. So today I'm going to try these two foundation and see which is better for me. This is L'Oreal in the shade Cacao number 10, and this is Fenty Parfait foundation in the shade 440. This one actually covers the spots or the dark marks I have on my face, but not the pimples, because I have a lot of them on my face. So I'm just going to today try these two and see which is better. So I'm going to be using beauty blenders. So this one already has a product beneath, and it's L'Oreal. So I'll just use this to apply the L'Oreal on one part of my face, and this one is clean, so I would use this to apply the Fenty on the other part of my face and then see which is better for me. So I will just pump this one out on this and apply it here. First thing you need to do before applying any foundation on your face is actually to shake it. I forgot to shake it before I applied it on my face, so I'm just going to do it now. Apply a little and you're good. So for this part, I've used this so much that I can't actually pump it out anymore. So I would have to open it and apply it on my face. There is still a lot inside that bottle, so I'm not ready to throw that out yet. Okay, let's just blend. You can see the difference, right? Now I'm thinking this Fenty, I don't know, but I think, let's just see, let's wait a little. I'm just going to wear these lip gloss and guys, this is actually the final look, and what do you think about this? You can actually see the difference here and here. You can see it, right? Okay, so what do you actually think about these two foundations that I used? Which do you think fits me more? Because I wouldn't say which is better. Okay, thank you so much for staying and watching my video, and please hit the subscribe button down below to be a part of this family, and have a great week. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.